replying to a previous comment. You wanted to see the entire car. Oh, almost fell.